just a winter wonderland up in the mountains.
They're going to get so much down there. So as you get in through spots like Telluride, Durango, Purgatory, they just opened up too. You're going to find a good 1 to 4 feet of snow within about 3 days. It's great for ski resorts. Our mountains are going to pick up a bit more here just west of Denver and Fort Collins too. But today it's going to be a little freezing drizzle on the far eastern plains. Mountain snow expected through Saturday off and on, and again heavier west of the divide with some light snow possible here in Denver tomorrow. Right now it's just cloud cover. We've got a partly sunny sky. Every once in a while you get a little hint of that sunshine, but overall clouds are going to settle in here as that next storm streams in from the west. You can see all those clouds ahead of it, so some high cloud cover. Right now seeing a little bit of snow out on the western slope. Things are going to be pretty dry here in town, but this is now the third storm that we're tracking here moving through the region, and it's been a very active pattern. Our storm that brought the heavy snow now just pushing off the northeast coast. We have this storm here that just skimmed over southern Colorado, bringing with it some heavy snow in through portions of the middle of the country now. And then we've got another storm now hitting the west coast, and this one's going to spread some heavy snow into our mountains, and it's why we've got a number of alerts out west. Winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories. They're looking at also some blizzard conditions just to the north of us as the storm moves in. So here across the state, the biggest issue for us is going to be, again, heavy snow down to the southwest, and that's going to be through the weekend. Here a little closer to town, we're not going to get a lot of snow from this here in town, but there will be, unfortunately, really gusty winds up and through those northern Front Range mountains. We're talking late tomorrow through Saturday, potentially speeds up to 80 miles per hour. That's where we had, what, a good 1 to 3 feet of snow, and so you're unfortunately going to see a lot of blowing snow, and they're going to additionally get another probably 2 to 4 up in spots like Estes Park, with a little bit more as you get closer to the divide. So this is going to be unfortunately pretty active, and the roads are going to get icy again, it looks like, starting tomorrow through Saturday with those gusty winds. Take a look at Futurecast. Southwestern Colorado picking up more snow overnight tonight. We'll be in the 30s this afternoon, 20s overnight, and then early tomorrow morning, waking up with actually some pretty mild temperatures because of those winds coming in out of the southwest. It'll be pretty mild here in Denver and also a little bit warmer. Southwestern Colorado with some heavier snow by tomorrow morning. The winds kicking up out of the south at first and then switching out of the west. And you can see how we get a little rain and snow developing here by tomorrow afternoon, but totals will once again be less than an inch, just a dusting here in town. And then on Saturday, things will start to warm up a little bit. So we'll see 30s to low 40s for the next 3 days. Saturday, windy and cold, and then on Sunday, likely in the mid-40s. That's when the real change rolls in. We finally get some mild weather, at least a few days of it, a string of it. I was just on some of the side streets here in town, and it's almost reminiscent of the storm we had back in 2006, that December, where we had ruts in the road for months because we just had storm upon storm. So I'm hoping we can get some of this to melt before we get another big storm.
Yeah, those neighborhoods that never melted, and
it took till, what, about June?
Yeah.
Oh boy, I hope we don't have that this year. Thanks, Lisa.